This, hold on, look at some light. Yeah, it's dark, but focus. Yeah, this actually is turning out a little bit better than what I thought it would. Pretty much the main problem is just the clear coat. It's a little bit of body damage. If you can see, like right here. Let me see if I can get it to show. Like there. That's it on this side. I don't want to go do it from the back. I might see a little better. Wash down the frame again. Repaint the frame. No problems in the back right there. Dent right there and there. I'm debating. That's a door I didn't do for contrast. I'm just gonna I probably should just do it right now, just to get it on out the way, because this is not gonna be that bad. Well, I didn't do this roof either, so I might say that for tomorrow. But yeah, painting is not gonna be that bad. Man, yeah. Since I hadn't calculated what I really already have spent, like with the frame. I got it primered and I got a coating for it. I'm gonna say like under $250 on body. We're gonna be solidly under $250. If I about paint it black, which is, yeah, why fight the grain? Go back white. And I definitely need to do the same thing with the frame, that I did back there up here. It's less space. I gotta use a smaller one than what I used back there. But yeah, you say it's pretty much the only problem is clear cut. I'll probably steel wool it again. Give it a good washing, steel wool. I don't know. I'm gonna ask around. Maybe even like sandpaper. Stand by a tree. It's mosquitoes. But yeah, this is going a little better than I thought. Now, I do have the cat eye grill, headlights, and I got the fenders and bumpers coming this week. And yeah, well, so yeah, $250 on the body is gonna come. That's not quite true. So I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna do a whole another video with all the calculations and everything. But yeah, this truck is gonna be together quicker than what I thought it'd be.